What is your name and how old are you?
Well, I'm Princess and I'm 24.
Princess, if a foreigner flies across the world to meet you for the first time, is the cookie guaranteed on that first night?
Well, it depends. As long as I'm fed and I don't get starved, well, why not? The cookie might be served fresh and, yes.
French. Okay. Okay. What is the number one thing a foreigner can do on the first day that makes a Filipina want to be intimate with him?
Mm, well, I think maybe sweet moments. Well, that's really a given. When a foreigner or a person is sweet, then another person might have to um, treat that as a um, to be intimate with a person.
What is sweet to you?
Sweet maybe holding hands and then neck kisses like that. Then it follows the intimate thing.
Neck kisses.
Yes.
Okay, you like that?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. If he doesn't get some on the first trip, should he come back for a second trip or is he being friend zone?
Can you again, please?
Like for example, if he visit for the first time and he didn't get it, okay, should he come back for the second time or no because he's being friend zone?
Well, first time is already a chance. So if you were not given a chance, then it's a no. So it's considered friend zone.
Does a Filipina respect a man more if he doesn't expect intimacy on the first night?
For me personally, yes. Because first meeting is like getting the person first, getting to know your personality, your how you treat person. So if you get to intimacy so that's fast, maybe it's a turn off for me.
If a man is shy or nervous, does that make a Filipina more attracted to him or does she prefer a confident macho guy?
Well, for me, I prefer a confident, a man who can bring himself and then, act how he treat people, especially to me.
Women is really different. The very first lady that we interviewed, she prefers someone who is shy. Yes. Maybe for like some thrill or something. But yeah, so women are really different. How about your friends?
My friends, they sometimes, some person, they prefer the shy ones. And then, however, some girls, they prefer the confident ones.
If a man spends 2,000 US dollars on flights and hotels to see you, but you don't sleep with him on the first trip, does he have a right to be upset?
Well, for me, no, because it is your choice to travel and then go to me. So if you get upset that I didn't give you what you want, then it's not my fault. It is your choice that you went here or you go here to see me. So if you didn't get what you want, that's just like what I said a while ago. Then it's not the right to be upset about.
Okay. I just want to ask you something. Given our generation now is different, completely different from the generation before, do you think a lot of Filipinas now they would sleep with a guy on the first night when they first met?
Well, I was raised as by a conservative parent. So, however, to this generation, I can say that they'll go sleep with the first night. Yes.
So that's okay. So that means that let's say they're in a long distance LDR relationship, and they feel like they're so in love, and then when they see each other on the first time, and then they do it on the first night. So that's how like common now.
Yes, that's really common now since, maybe a year of no contact, physical contact. So when you see each other for the first time, then that's you. It shows that how you meet each other.
That's how you miss and you love each other. Okay, you are 24 years old. Have you ever experienced this in like real life?
The
Like,
intimacy.
mhm. on the first night, on the first time you see each other?
Well, no, for me, no. I really want to get to know the person first before I get to that phase. And, just want to, we need to have a mutual understanding, and then the respect, it's there.
How long do you usually give it? How long before you give it? I mean,
Well, it doesn't have a time. As long as I feel I'm safe and then I can give it to him, why not?
oh, well, you said in the your answer from the first question, you said that as long as you're fed, you're not starved, you'll give the cookie fresh, and that was your first answer.
It's a bit contradicting, right? However, it depends on. I was thinking that the first question was you were in a long distance relationship. That's why I said that. So it's a related answer to that last question.
I know a lot of our viewers right now, they're probably gonna mention about, oh yeah, Philippines is a Catholic country. That's why a lot of single moms. Do you think that's the reason why? Another reason why a lot of single moms, because of you said that it's common now for our generation to do it.
Well, I don't want to be that conservative, but I can say that it's a yes. It's yes. No, it's very common now.
In college, or you're working now?
Working.
Hey, what is your job, if it's okay?
I'm a receptionist at the hotel.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Alex and I'm 27.
Alex, if a foreigner flies across the world to meet you for the first time, is the cookie guaranteed on that first night?
Maybe on the third night. And it actually depends on the vibes. Like the vibe between the two of you. So I don't think it's guaranteed on the first night.
But it depends on the vibe. If you click, like the vibe is good between you and him, definitely.
Why not?
What is the number one thing a foreigner can do on the first day that makes a Filipina want to be intimate with him?
Honestly, by just being himself. Because it's such a turn off when a person, not really a foreigner, but any person, becomes pretentious on the first date. So like that's an immediate turn off. So really just be yourself so that you guys could see what the vibes are about.
Are you someone like that?
Like
Like you like someone who's not pretentious? Like
yes. I just want his or her authentic self.
if he doesn't get some on the first trip, should he come back for a second trip, or is he being friend zoned?
He should. You should come back for a second time. Yeah, because sometimes it takes a while to be that vulnerable with another person. It actually depends on whether you're comfortable enough to share that with another person that you've just met for the first time. Actually, so coming back doesn't really mean that he's already friend zone.
Does a Filipina respect a man more if he doesn't expect intimacy on the first night?
Yes, actually. I feel like a woman would respect that because men, especially on dating apps, there's this notion that they're just after the act. They're just after sex. So it's a nice change of pace, so to speak, if he doesn't expect that on the first date.
Do you think that's still common here?
Yes.
Especially now in our generation?
Especially now with our generation, sex is much more common than people telling you that they love you. Yeah.
If a man is shy or nervous, does that make a Filipina more attracted to him, or does she prefer a confident macho guy?
Actually, that depends on the person. But personally, I find it cute that he is a bit nervous.
Why?
Because that just means he really wants to make sure that it's good. You know.
So you're not into like a confident guy?
That's also nice. But I have no problems if he's a bit nervous.
if a man spends 2,000 US dollars on flights and hotels to see you, but you don't sleep with him on the first trip, does he have a right to be upset? Anyway, 2,000 US dollars is equivalent to 122,000 Philippine pesos.
No, he has no right because it's not guaranteed that coming here means doing the act. Because if he wants it to be guaranteed by spending that amount, I think he should just, get someone who agrees to be paid to do the act with him. Because for me, coming here, it's more than the sex. It's more about the connection that you guys share. So yeah, that's
What if he's honest in the beginning? Like he's expecting this to happen on the first day that you meet.
that would be a bit nicer because at least he's upfront about it. He's not trying to hide it by being a gentleman and then suddenly expecting that we should do this because I did this for you. Yeah. So I think it's a bit honesty is a no. You can never go wrong with honesty.
Have you ever tried it? It's okay. I mean, I really do appreciate if you'd be honest. Like, have you ever tried it in person that you met someone for the first time, like you're in a LDR and then you did it in the first night on the first night?
No, no, not yet. Maybe in the succeeding nights, but definitely not the first night.
You mentioned you are 27 years old, so I assume you're not in college, right?
No, I'm not in college.
Working.
Yes.
May we know what is your job?
It's an office job in the legal department.
Government?
Not really, private sector. Yes.
27. In a relationship, dating, what? Single?
Single, but I'm dating someone.
How long have you been single?
I think for more than a year now. Yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you so much, Alex. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you so much, Be. Thank you. That's very nice of her. Thank you so much, Be. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.